Hey there, ambitious minds. Are you ready to dive into the world of game-changing offers that'll have your audience saying yes without a second thought? Welcome to today's mind-blowing journey, where we'll dissect the unparalleled insights from $100 million offers, how to make offers so good people feel stupid saying no, by the genius Alex Hormozi. Get ready, because by the end of this video, you'll be armed with strategies that can transform your offers into absolute deal sealers. Don't just watch, engage, absorb, and implement these lessons to revolutionize your personal finance game. This book completely changed the way I think about business, sales, and creating incredible value for customers. Alex has generated over $700 million in sales for his companies, so he knows a thing or two about making offers people can't refuse. By the end, you'll have 10 powerful lessons you can immediately apply to make your offers irresistible, increase sales, and take your business to the next level. Lesson 1. Mindset is everything. Hormozi says that before you can make a $100 million offer, you need the right mindset. You have to believe in the extreme value of your product or service and convey that to customers with conviction. If you don't believe in your offer, why should anyone else? Cultivate an abundance mindset. View your offer not as taking money from customers, but providing 10 times the value they pay for. Make it irresistible. Lesson 2. Do your homework. Don't just whip up any offer. Study your customers, competitors, and market trends. Figure out exactly what people want and the outcomes they desire. Craft your offer specifically to satisfy those needs better than anyone else can. Research is key. Know the objections people have and address them preemptively in your offer. Make it a no-brainer for customers to say yes. Lesson 3. Lead with value. The biggest mistake Hormozi sees people make is leading with price. They try to be the cheapest. Wrong approach. Lead with value instead. Study after study shows people will pay more for something better. So make value your North Star. Find ways to provide 10 times value. Lead your offer with that, not price. Lesson 4. Use psychology. Hormozi is a master influencer. He employs proven sales psychology tricks throughout his offers. Simply put, use psychology to make it hard for customers to say no. For example, use contrast. Present a high price first, then offer something lower so it seems like a steal. Use social proof with testimonials. Set up a series of yes questions so they keep saying yes. Learn and apply basic sales psychology. It works. If you're learning something, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Page to Prosperity. Lesson 5. Structure smart offers. The way you structure your offer matters immensely. Hormozi recommends simplifying choices into 2 or 3 pre-selected packages or tiers. This relieves decision fatigue. Also use charm pricing like $497 instead of $500. It seems more approachable. Use odd numbers too, 73 instead of $75. Make it a no-brainer with $1 trial offers, and bundle for higher perceived value. Test different structures relentlessly to maximize conversion. Lesson 6. Upsell without sleaze. Upsells bad, cross-sells good. Never be sleazy with your upsells like used car salespeople. Instead, focus on providing value with carefully planned cross-sells. For example, once someone buys your product, offer a perfect complementary product that boosts value. Make it about helping more, not squeezing customers. Do it with integrity. Lesson 7. Handle objections. Anticipate every objection customers will have, then pre-frame and handle them in your offer. This builds tremendous trust and reassurance. If the price is high, justify it by explaining your value, costs, and ROI. If people will doubt credibility, include social proof and guarantees. Think through every objection. Lesson 8. Guarantees eliminate risk. The most effective way to overcome objections is to offer a guarantee. Hormozi is a huge proponent of risk reversal. Take on the risk for customers by guaranteeing results, satisfaction, or money back. Make it a trial with no obligation. This frees customers to say yes. Lesson 9. Close the deal. Once you've made your irresistible offer, you need to seal the deal. That means motivating quick action with urgency and scarcity. Use a countdown timer for a discount or bonus that ends soon. Set a purchase deadline. Limit quantities. Remind them slots are filling fast. Guide them smoothly through checkout. Optimize everything to convert. Lesson 10. Wow at delivery. Over-deliver on every aspect of customer experience. Packages, communications, products, service. Make them say, wow. This boosts satisfaction, retention, and referrals. It also gives you valuable customer feedback so you can improve continually. Obsess over delivery from start to finish. All right, that was my quick summary of the top 10 lessons from $100 million offers by Alex Hormozi. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments which lesson resonated most with you. Now you might be asking, how can I apply this right now? Well, here are 3 actionable recommendations that could transform your offers and elevate your personal finance game. 1. Value-driven crafting. Infuse your offers with value-driven language that focuses on transformation rather than just products. 2. Bonuses that wow. Brainstorm jaw-dropping bonuses that magnify the value of your offers, making them truly irresistible. 3. Urgency strategy. Implement an urgency strategy that creates a sense of FOMO, propelling your audience to grab your offers pronto. I'll drop a link to Alex's book in the description below so you can check it out and learn more. Seriously, it's a game changer. Go get yourself a copy. And there you have it. The unbeatable strategies to create $100 million offers that leave people begging to say yes. Remember, these lessons aren't just for watching. They're for implementing and revolutionizing your personal finance journey. If you're as excited as I am about these life-changing insights, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on game-changing content. Share your thoughts in the comments. Let's keep the conversation going. Until next time, remember that with these offers, you're not just closing deals, you're opening doors to success.